Here we go.
Okay, here we go. From Uncle Jason, Auntie Tiffany, cousins Jacob, Jared, and Tyler. Ready?
Lucy, what is
It's a
it?
note.
What's it say?
Dear Lucy, there is a gift
Listen.
waiting for you. If you follow each note, you will find the clue.
It's a treasure hunt.
Okay, it's a treasure hunt.
Mystery clue number 1.
First clue.
Put on a coat and eat shoe. Your next clue will be waiting where the mail comes to you.
Where's the next
Where's
clue?
the mail?
Where's our mail come?
You don't know? You go and get the mail.
Here we go. Heading out the door to get Lucy's first clue. Here we go. Look at Mom.
Wow. What's pink and what's it say?
What's that say?
Don't like our food to get very old, so we put it in this box to keep it nice and cold.
Where do we keep our food cold? The refrigerator.
Yeah,
Go
to
look
the
in the
fridge
refrigerator.
we go. Okay.
See if there's a clue.
All right, open the
Oh,
fridge.
you're excited now.
Oh!
What's that
What
say?
is this? What is it? What's it say?
Clue number 3. Here is a remote. You know what to do. Go outside, push the button. It's waiting for you.
Let's go.
Oh,
Let's go back outside. Come on.
Go outside and push the button.
Come on.
It's right here. I think this is the button. I don't know. You're going to have to try different buttons.
Okay, press them.
Okay. Try it.
Whoa, it
Good.
worked.
First time.
Where is your
Oh,
gift?
where is it? What is that?
What?
I don't know what it is.
You don't know
You don't know what it is?
Give me this.
Guess what it is?
Get in.
It's an Elsa card.
Yeah.
This is cool.
It's cool.
what do you think? Push that button.
Good. Good job.
You gotta steer. You wanna push the button again? You gotta steer. Ready? Push the button on your foot.
Go again. Keep going.
Wow.
Go. Hold it down. Go. Hold your foot.
You're driving, Lucy.
What do you think?
Look at her. Look at her.